गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स। 26 दिसंबर कोलकाता रेसेस में आते हैं फर्स्ट रेस की तरफ, जो कि 1100 मीटर्स का है। तो फर्स्ट रेस में नंबर 6 ईच वे करना, लिटिल फिंगर। ओके, सेकेंड रेस में आते हैं। सेकेंड रेस में नंबर 2 फेवरेट होगा वो मोस्ट प्रोबेबली, क्योंकि मेडन रेस है। यू कैन अवॉइड दिस रेस। ओके, आते हैं थर्ड रेस में। थर्ड रेस में यू कैन अवॉइड इजीली नंबर 1. Number 3 is from Mumbai, has been imported from Mumbai to Kolkata. Number 4, last time winner in 3-year-old handicap from BBIS to YS Rinath. Okay, so number 4 will be hot favorite over here, and second favorite most probably it will be Lackmoss. Okay, Lackmoss. There is also chance of Lackmoss also over here. Okay, so I will discuss later on this race. Okay, for fourth race में आते। फोर्थ रेस में on the handicap, Rosina should not lose this race. 43 should win easily. Fifth race again, Simply Soaring is a very good horse. 1600 meter last time. Last time it was fifth. Okay, in the class 2. Now again this horse is running in a same class which had. Okay, so last time Kimaya was lost by nose, but jockey I don't think so. He's a very good jockey over here. And Summer here is traveling 200 meter more. Excel Sire. Seems very interesting. Looks very interesting. So number 6, Excel Sire, is a very good bet in this race. Okay, 56. I think my day is best. And coming back to the T. Khetan Memorial Kolkata Gold Cup, it's a mild race. Psychic Force. You can avoid this horse. Shivansh. Star Superior, unbeaten horse in Kolkata. Trafalgar, New England, Awesome One, Arrowfield. So most probably Star Superior will be on money favorite over here. Maximum I think 50 to 60% odds bookie will offer you. But there is a chance of upset over here. So Trafalgar can easily lift this race if Star Superior is not allowed to run on his merit, or maybe Star Superior मतलब बहुत दिन के बाद भाग रहा है, तो थोड़ा मतलब डिफ़िकल्ट हो सकता है स्टार सुपीरियर को. सो डोंट टेक अ चांस ऑन स्टार सुपीरियर, गो फॉर ट्रफाइलगर ईच वे. आते हैं सेवेंथ रेस में. सेवेंथ रेस नंबर 4 डेस्पेसिटो was third to Dumas. Then again it had a run in Kolkata 1200 meter. Now again Srinath is on this horse. Quite interesting. And again Daring Heart. It's a failed favorite horse. Was third to Namiki. Namiki also is a very good horse. And again Daring Heart has run with very good horses. Black Pearl won 2000 guineas over here. Namiki also won class 3 I think so. Namiki has won class 3 over here. And now this horse is running in class 4. And it was favorite to Namiki. So Daring Heart, last time the distance was pretty sharp, बहुत ही छोटा था. Now 300 meter more to travel. So Daring Heart should win this race very easily. So today is my days. I could give you 2 double, that is treble. You can also put treble. Okay, one is 43 Rosina, then 56 Excel Sire, and 78 I think so. 78 Daring Heart. You should go for treble over here. Go for straight, मतलब straight win डाल देना. 43, 56 and 78. ओके, तो एक बार रिवाइज कर लेते हैं कि आज का रेस कैसा रहेगा. सो फर्स्ट रेस most probably the race will be between number 2 and 6. Okay, so you can avoid this race, or you can go with विच एवर जॉकी यू लाइक वो ही है। एंड रेस टाइम पे कुछ अपडेट्स आता है तो मेरे व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे मैं अपडेट कर दूंगा। अगर कुछ खबर आता है तो मेरा नीचे मैं ये वीडियो के नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में मैंने मेरा व्हाट्सएप का लिंक दिया है, तो ज्वाइन कर लेना मेरा व्हाट्सएप का ग्रुप। अगेन 2-2 इज़ अ वेरी क्लासिक हॉर्स हो गया। इट्स मे भी फेवरेट होगा पता नहीं, बट आई ऑलवेज अवॉइड मेडन रेस फेवरेट्स। ओके, तो थर्ड रेस ट्रेजर हंट इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी गुड, imported फ्रॉम मुंबई सिरोना। ओहो 3, 4 एंड नंबर 9, द रेस विल बी बिटवीन 3, 4, 9, 11। हो 4 घोड़े तो ये रेस छोड़ देना। सो सो मैं तो बोलता हूँ कि फोर्थ रेस में देखो, इनका रोजीना इनके बीच में ही मैच होना चाहिए। शिवालिक साइड यू कैन अवॉइड दिस हॉर्स बिकॉज बहुत ही ज़्यादा हैंडीकैप हो चुका है, और ये रोजीना को हार भी चुका था ओक्स में, तो हैंडीकैप से आउट है शिवालिक साइड। इनका विल बी टफ। So Rosina is good on handicap, should redeem all last failures and all. So today Rosina should win easily, and Akshay Kumar is also riding the race. So maybe he will give justice to the horse. फिफ्थ रेस में आते हैं। फिफ्थ रेस नंबर 6 win easy, and sixth race you can avoid or go with number 4 like each way. Number 4 should not means number 4 should be in the top 3. You can avoid sweet music here and now. Aerofield. Awesome one can be in place, but go if the place is about 2 to 1 and all above. Okay. New England. Last time New England was ridden by Vinay Jaiswal, and now Akshay Kumar is riding. There is a good chance for New England also in the place. So better to skip this race, or better watch this race, or try with Trafalgar or New England, whichever the longer odds are there. You can try fluke. Okay. I'm not telling that this will win the race or anything. Okay. Seventh race, my good bet again. Daring Heart should win this race easily. Okay. Thank you, friends. All the best. Thank you.